Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn how to integrate APIs between front-end and backend. The reason I'm making this video is because many of you guys have issues, especially beginner developers. You guys have an issue in integrating front-end and backends. You guys have your backend ready, you guys have your front-end ready, but you guys don't don't know how to integrate it. So I'll just give you a few demos here. So this is I'll show you a sample backend which I have. See, now this is the backend. We have a sample get routes. I'll make the videos for put, post, and read later. So this is for get. Now see, if you see the address, it is slash get. Then it goes to get routes. If I go there it is slash list, and then it goes to the get list function. Now what is the get list function returning to us? The get list function is returning this value. It is returning this JSON document which has first day, second week, third day, and fourth day. Alright. I'll show you guys the front end code. In the front end, I have a dummy list made for as of right now. It's key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2, key 3, value 3. I'll show you this thing. It is key 1, value 1. It is also showing all these values. Now, the purpose of this video is to replace these values by these values. Alright. So let's go about it. The first thing you guys need to do is make sure your front end and back end is running. My back end is running, and my front end is also going well. Alright, so I'll show it to you. The first thing you guys start with is by making a new folder called APIs. In this oh my bad, it's file, right? My bad. Start by making a new folder for APIs. And then you make this thing called make homepage service.tsx. Alright. So now what you guys will do? Hold on a second. So now what you guys will do? The first thing we will do is we'll make a basic URL. Hmm. Alright. Now what does the basic URL do? The thing with APIs is you saw the endpoint, right? Which I showed you earlier. The endpoints go get and then list. But these endpoints they need an address, right? There will be a server address. So this is my server's address. Whatever your server, wherever it is hosted, this is the address after which the endpoints come in. So now what I will do is I'll make a class of connection functions. All right. My bad. Yes. So why did I make it? I make it an async function. The reason why I made it an async function is because it is not instantaneous. It will go to the backend, it will go by the front end, and then the result will come back. This will take some time. There will be a lag. But I cannot allow my entire program to be halted because of one function being delayed. That's why I made it asynchronous. Asynchronous means that the rest of the code will continue execution. Only this part will be left pending for the we don't get a value. All right. So what I will do now is I will make this thing. Once rest, await is used so that it knows that it needs to wait. All right. All right. Now the thing is, I will get a JSON object, but I don't need that. I need the uh, what do you call it, dereference version. So I will return this.json. All right. This is our API service function. This is a very simple get function. I'll make it for the others later. But this is how it goes for all of them. You basically call an API, you get the result, and you send it. You also send the status, because if there is an issue with the issue, oh my bad, it is it's in the back and chat. I should later. All right. So let's go ahead. Now we will come here and we see that we have a list. This sign will come down. But before that, we will import something. Now what did I do? I imported two React hooks. I imported use state and use effect. Use state basically tracks the state variables which will be changing in any website or in any web application. For example, whenever you click any button or whenever there is an update, so the value which changes is tracked by use state. Use effect is basically the function, the container in which these changes stay, the use state function or any other changes in the React DOM happen. All right. So now since we have made a front end with list, we'll keep the name for the sake of convenience. All right, and we call use state. But what will be the type? We will keep the type string. Now what did I do here? I call this the list is the variable which this would track. Set list is the function which will populate the list with the API from the backend. Now it need the thing is usage only needs a string. So if you basically want to add two columns of string, you will use a type called record. Alright. So this part is done and the string is done. Now what I will do is I will call use effect. Now what and the I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to import this thing. See, I got this as simple as that. Now what I will do? I will use. Now what I will do? I will make a function to to get the value from the service class, this value into the table, into the main scheme which we have, right? Now this function also needs to be async, because async functions work together, right? I used a bit because we know that which part will take time. I got this thing, and then what I will do, I will use set list and use result. Now what happened? I use this function so that this value will go into this one. All right. So now we will go and simply refresh our backend and we'll see if we are having any issue or not. Hold on, let just check it once. If you guys have any issue, if it is not showing or something like that, then please check the console panel network side. That will be very helpful in figuring out what the issue is. Let's see the main issue. Hmm, I see. If nothing is the issue, then I'll try to reload. Start it again. Now go here again. Close it down. Okay. Let's see. There is an issue. I forgot one thing. Correct. What I need to do now is I made this function, but I think this is a variable. I think I need to call this variable now. So this was what I was missing earlier. Right. So after I call this variable, see I'm getting this value. So a very simple way it's a very simple get API which I used. I will also progress further. I'll make put, push, update, delete, and then we'll go up to login and integrating complex APIs. There are a lot of inputs and outputs involved. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps you guys. So if there are any issue or you guys want something, you guys can contact me whenever you want. Right. Bye.